In this video, we are going to learn how to create a worksheet using the worksheet templates present on Adobe Express platform. So once you log in, there is an option of search for content or generate your own. Here, you will just write down worksheets and you will click on search. You will notice that you are going to get a lot of templates on the worksheets. Now, depending upon which template that you want to use, so if you want to create something of this sort, you can select this template feature. A worksheet which is something of this kind, you can select this one. If you want to give a worksheet of addition or subtraction to smaller grade students, you can choose this. Match the following, something like this. A word search, something like this. So like this, you will have lot of different templates, and depending upon which template you want to, choose and give, you can select that worksheet. You can scroll down, you will see that there are more worksheets, more templates, and accordingly, whichever you want to select, you want to give something on graphs, you can select this and so on and so forth. Now, suppose I pick up a very, very basic, okay, template of something like this. I'm going to click on this worksheet and it says solve each equation. I'm going to customize this maths worksheet for myself. And you will see here that it says solve each equation. Student can write the name, the date, and the questions are here. Now, suppose you want to change the questions in some way, or you want to change the digits. So suppose you want to change it to a 3 by 3, do that, edit the questions. Okay. You want to change it to some other questions, you can do that, edit that, and the students can write in this workspace. So this is a simple template that is there, which is already present. Now, what are the different ways in which you can share this with your students? Now, if you want the students to submit their answers by digitally typing in this sheet itself, all you need to do is you go on share above, click on the share icon, click on this option of view only link, VIEW, view only link. And there is a toggle here which says allow others to use. Click on it and create a link. So you'll see here that a link is created and you can copy this link. And this is the link that you are going to submit as a part of the assignment in the Google form given to you. And also, this is the link that you're going to share with your students. So I'm now going to show you how this worksheet would look to a student. So let's see. So when a student is going to open through his or her own Adobe Express account given by the school, they'll get an option of remixing it. So I'm going to remix this and I'm going to use this place to write my answer. So this is one way in which the students can do this. Now to write the answers, there's this option of text. Okay, they can click on add a text and they can just put this thing in the box and then type their answers. So that is one way of doing it. So let me look at the question again. It's 2 by 3 plus, so it's 5 by 3. So just student will write 5/3. It's a simple addition, uh, so of like fraction. So the student can write in this way. What is another way of doing it? So let's first let me just tell you of how the student is going to submit back to you after answering. Student is going to, of course, write the name also here. So there is this option of writing the name back. And I'm just going to write my name. So if my name is Prajwal, I'm just going to write my name. If I have to enter my class, say I'm in 6th A, I can do that. I can write the date. Now, if I want to submit back as a student, I will click on share And you will see that there are options of returning back the assignment through a Google Classroom or Teams. So if your school is having a G Suite or a Teams environment and already you have, given the assignment in the Google Classroom or Teams, in that case, the student can revert back to you and turn in their assignments through them only. Otherwise, you have to click on view only link. Again, student will click on create link. The student will use this link and student can turn back the link to you in your classroom, class WhatsApp group, or you can also do. Teachers, a very interesting thing is that just to ensure, now just go to Google Forms or Microsoft Forms, whichever you're comfortable with. Click on Forms, and the easiest way is click and make one Google form. So suppose you are a maths teacher, so you can have something which is called maths assignment, and you can give your instructions, submit your assignments, and the first question will be, of course, the name of the student. Give it a required thing. Add down the class. So suppose as a teacher, you're teaching sixth class, seventh class, and eighth class. I'm just assuming that. And also you can say section. Suppose you're teaching section A, B, okay, and C, whatever sections you're teaching. And of course, always put required so that students are submitting it. Okay, required. This is also a required. And in the last one, just say paste your assignment link. All you need to do is student will come here, whatever assignment they have made, just publish this form and ensure that anyone with the link can use it. Publish the form. And once you're sharing this form, of course, this is, you have to even give a title to the form. Okay, maths assignment. Publish it, copy the responders link, shortening the URL for ease. And all you need to do is just share this particular link with your students. And when the student is opening it, the form would come like this. They will enter their name, class, and paste the link. The link to be pasted is the same link which I have given. So suppose I am a student and I just write down my name as Prajwal, sixth class, section C. I just paste the link and I'll submit the form. And just same form can be used multiple times by the students. And what you will see is that as soon as a student responds, in the form, you will get the responses. Go to the sheet link and you can pick up the assignment link of the students from here and submit it back to us. Okay. So this is one smart way of doing it. So I'm sure it'll easy for you now to create an assignment, a small assignment for the students, give to them. And then I've also shown in this video how they can return it back to you and you can monitor their progress. So this is one simple way.